create a business postcard. First click Create New. Then under the preset of Print, select the A6 option. The width and the height are already preset, and this is fine. You can choose between portrait or landscape. Make sure you have your artboards unticked. The resolution is set to 300 pixels per inch. Make sure it's not pixels per centimeter. For color mode, since we're printing, use CMYK. Because the business card is quite small, 8-bit will do fine. Put a document name in and click Create. The first tool in your toolbar is your Move tool. V is the shortcut. Make sure you have the Show Transform Controls enabled, as well as Auto Select, and keep it set to Layers. Next, open the Finder and drag your source material onto the canvas. You'll be presented with a crossed out image. That's because you need to either deny or confirm your action and your edit. To confirm, you can click on the tick. Alternatively, you can double click the image. You can reject and cancel the changes by pressing the cross or by pressing Escape on the keyboard. So, left click on any of the edges to go into the Edit Transform mode. You can scale down the image by pulling any of the edges in or out. You can rotate the image by hovering out of the image bounds and by dragging in either direction. If you hold Shift, it will snap in specific increments. To access the Move tool option menus, first go into Edit Transform mode by clicking on any of the anchor points on the corners, then by right-clicking on the image. Here we have Skew, Perspective, Distort, and Warp. You can also flip horizontally and vertically on this menu. You can now pull the corners around to suit your needs. Experiment and play with these options. You can click and drag more images onto your canvas. Now that we've got more than one image on our document, we can rearrange the order of the layers by clicking and dragging above or below other layers. Wait until you see the blue halo lines that indicate where the layer will be moved. By clicking on the little eye next to each layer, you can toggle the layer's visibility temporarily on or off.